So hi my friends and my channels, welcome back to our channel Mock Arts Education. Today is a very interesting day, like today is very adventurous day. So today we come to the Belunia Pilak. Yes guys, so first time we take a view of the second Pilak and then we come in the main part of Pilak. This is the main part of Pilak and we are very excited. He is my friend and his name is, what is the name?
Biprajit Chaudhary.
Yes, his name is Biprajit Chaudhary. And now we entered in the main Pilak. And you can see here, let's come with me. This is a very big tree of the Pilak, and you can see here, this is some many things. And here is some information of the Pilak. And this is a very big Eid Bandar. Like we say Eid Bandar in Bengali, but I don't know. So now we are going to climb up this Eid Bandar. This is like very big. So let's go. Ugh. Okay, I am trying, and now we are came to a very big part of the Pilak. Whoa! This is very big. And with me they are my mom and my sister, and you can see this is a very interesting, like a murti statue. I think it's like very interesting statue. So this is a very now let's go. Oh bhai, we are in the, so now I take some rest and I take the view, and in the last moment and in the middle moment I came again. So hi guys, now welcome back again, and this is a murti statue. I think that you can't see for the darkness. Here is a very big darkness, and this is the heritage, like our heritage. And so you can see here, this is a very big. Oh, you see, this is big project. Okay, now I am. He is now coming, and now you can see the whole Pilak. Yes, guys, yes.
Let's move.
Now let's go. Now guys, you can see our whole video of the Pilak, like Belunia, and we are also just sitting under a very big, like not very big, small and a very beautiful statue, and this very beautiful heritage for us. And now we just run, and you also can see we just run and we just play hide and seek. And now I also have he also have, and we feel now very hot, guys. So now I want to end all the video, and now thank you, watch this video till the end. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. If you like this heritage and if you like this Pilak of Belunia, so please thank you and like us and subscribe us. You also tell to subscribe.
Please subscribe the channel of Mock Art Education. New part 3 video, and now you are going to be what is called surprised to seeing us where we are. We are now in the railway station. You can see this is, yes, I am wrong. This is railway. And this is the rock. And guys, we are very fast, and you can see there is a lady coming, and it is little further. She is further. You know, so we are very can see there are and there are also beautiful what is called we say Itkalla or what it's called I don't know it and I with my friend yes I can go this is not mentioned it he said me to going to the rail I can go some so now that's one we do some fun and after sometimes I repeat the part again and again.
English with English. Now we are here. All is going to where? All is What are you eating? What are you eating? And what is means gudam? What is called gudam? Manipur. It is not Manipur. Tribal gudam. And how was it?
Very tasty. Very
Yummy. It is very yummy.
and if you eat the gudak with the puri then this is
Now,
expensive.
what was our journey?
Our journey is going to the Pilak and enjoy the Pilak spot.
How was feel?
It is feeling so good.
It is feeling so good. And now here is a very long tree. All are here. Your mother and father all are here. How do you feel? You say,
Very nice.
we are very nice feel. Okay.
Beautiful.
You can see there are some long roads and many big trees and this is the spot of BSFs and armies.
Army's camp. No, it is not Army's camp. This is
No, this is really
public. Here is a restaurant, good restaurant here, but we did not eat there. And when we came back after next time, then this is called a bison. You all see here is this is called bison, and our breakfast here. Now let's.
very beautiful.
They are next generation. Okay, bye, tata. Thank you.
Guys, I will be subscribed and hit the bell button. Thank you.
Oh.